we discussed on a higher level. We didn't go deep in the error handling part.
Yeah, so today we will discuss deep part only, like we will go through the different scenario based question. Okay, on error handling, you will get many 5 kind of scenario based question, not 5, 6 kind of scenario based question. Okay, so those will be limited area. They might do change small things. Okay, but concept will be same only. They want to get the same concept. Okay, so we have 6 scenario we will discuss. Let me quickly share my screen and then we can start. First of all, can anyone tell me what all different error handling strategy we have? Anyone has any idea? Different error handling strategy in Mulesoft?
Like in Mule 3 version, we have like choice exception strategy.
Your voice is very low.
In Mule 3, we have choice exception strategy, rollback strategy. But in Mule 4, like we have only these two, on error propagate and on error continue.
The components, not error handling strategy. These two
Okay.
are components. So
We have a flow level or error handling, processor level, app level, or just lower error handling.
yeah, correct. So we have global error handling, we have flow level error handling, we have component level error handling, and we have default error handling. Okay, so if you want to make error handling things reusable among multiple flows, then we do global error handling. We create global error handling. If we want to handle error on flow level, then we do flow level error handling, where we define on error continue propagate within the flow. And then we have component level error handling using try catch block. So if we want to handle for particular component, then we can put inside try catch block, and inside try block error handler, we can define the error handling component like continue or propagate. And then we have default error handler. So if you are not defining any error handling, then by default, it will go to default error handling, which is inbuilt inside Mule application. We don't need to define it. And default behavior of default error handling is on error propagate with empty payload. Or you can say empty on error propagate. So how this empty on error propagate will behave, same behavior default error handling will do. Okay, so these are the 4 error handling strategy we have in Mulesoft. And to handle error, we have 4 kind of component error handler, which define the scope error of error handling component. Then on error continue, it will catch the error and it will send success results. And on error propagate will catch the error and it will send error response. And we have raise error component, which we will use to raise the business error. Okay. And last time we have seen whenever we are defining the raise error component, we have type and description. So whenever you are defining raise error component, you need to make sure whatever type is you are giving, that should not be matching type with any of the existing error handling type. Okay. So these are the strategy we have, and these are the components we have. Okay. So generally they will ask about the error handling strategy. Then they will ask difference about the on error continue and on error propagate, and how to handle the business error. 3 questions you will get. Okay. Now from here they will ask 6 kind of scenario based question that we will discuss now. This is HTTP listener component 1. Okay. This is the logger component 2. This is the flow reference component 3. This flow reference is calling this child. Here we have logger component 4. And here we have HTTP requester. We are calling some external service here. Component 5. Here we have logger component 6. And here we have logger component 7. Okay. Now in this, okay, we have error handler. And here also we have error handler. This is the parent flow. This one is child flow. Here I am explaining through diagram. In interview, they will not give you diagram. Okay. So you need to frame that question in mind only. But yeah, for learning purpose, let's go through diagram. Okay. Now here we have on error. Let me make it short. On error continue, and here we have on error continue. Okay. Now if there is any error here, so everyone need to put in chat. Okay. If there will be any error in this 5th component, what all component will execute. So you need to mark it like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. 1 arrow, 2 arrow, 3 like that. You can capture this. Okay. And everyone put in chat. If there is any error in 5th component, so what will be sequence of this component execution? Most of you have completed. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4. No, first one is incorrect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yeah. This one is incorrect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Only two answer we have. Pass and Satish. So we received only two correct answer. Okay, and answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, how it will be? Let's discuss. Give me one.
Hello, Ravi. Not
Yeah,
able
just
to hear your voice.
yeah, just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So it will be like sequence wise. This request will come here. Component 1 will be executed. Then it will go to logger, 2 will be executed. It will go to flow reference, 3 will be executed. Now flow reference will call this child flow. Okay, so it will go to fourth component, correct? And then it will go to fifth component. So far 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth. Once this component will execute, okay, it will fail here. Okay, then it will go to on error continue. We don't have anything inside on error continue, so it will catch the error and it will send the success response. So from where we are getting request, we are getting request here. So to make it easy to understand, again it will go to after fifth, it will go to third. Okay, and then since it will receive success response on error continue, it will receive success response. Okay, then what it will do, it will execute the next component. Everyone clear with this? Since this is on error continue, if there will be error, it will throw the error. Okay. From here to here, error will be thrown. But once it will execute, it will send success response. So from here to here, it will be success response. Everyone clear on this part?
Yes,
Okay. Yes, then let's discuss another scenario, second scenario. Checking from there only. And to make it more simple, like more easy to understand, let me do one more thing. I have eraser here. They are not giving eraser. Yes. And so let's discuss different scenario, but before that, I will add few more things. So here, let's say inside the on error continue. Okay. Here also we have one logger. Okay. Let's say inside this we have logger, and this one is 8 component, and here also we have one logger. This one is 9th component. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay. And this time scenario got changed. Now here we have on error continue. Okay. And this we have on error propagate. Okay. Now same thing. We have this many component. This is on error continue, on error propagate, and this one got error. Now what will be sequence of this component? In which sequence this component will execute? So everyone, please send me in chat. Everyone completed? Is anyone pending? So this time, let me see. So Satish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. It's not correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 3.
That's not correct.
No, this is also not correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8. Yeah, this one correct. What is this? Yeah, Sai Krishna. So he has given correct answer. So this time sequence will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8. How? Let's see. So first thing, this will go to listener. Listener will go to logger. Logger will go to this. And then flow reference will go to logger. Okay. It will go to child flow. Okay. And then from here, it will go to HTTP requester. And then HTTP requester will fill. So from here, it will go to this on error propagate. So this component will execute. Okay. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Okay. And once here it will go, this is on error propagate. Okay. So what on error propagate will do? It will send error response. So last time from here, it was green response. Actually, this will also be red on the. This will be green. And from here, it will send error response. Okay. So if there is error response, then this component will also fail. If this component fail, then what will happen? It will send error response. Okay. It will fail, then it will throw error, which will be catched by this on error continue component. And then this component will execute and it will send success response. Okay. Then this component will execute and it success response. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, and then 3 back to 3, and then 8. Okay, so this will be sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8 if you don't want to keep 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8. But final response will be success response. In previous case, final response will be again success response only. Okay, everyone clear with this?
Yes. Yeah, Ravi. Here it got failed in the fifth one HTTP response. Then it's go to 9. Again, let's go to the parent flow. And on error propagate here is there, right?
Yeah, on error propagate is there. Okay.
Yeah.
So on error propagate, what it do? It will catch the error and it will send error response. Okay. So who will catch that error response? Parent flow. Okay. Whatever will be there here, success or error. At the end, where it will go? It will go to parent flow.
Okay. Means the main flow is the parent flow. That's why it's going to the parent flow. And if is there in the on error propagate, then it get failed in 3 itself, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, then it's go to the 8 log and then
First, this logger. Okay. On error propagate is there, so it will raise the error. Okay. So which will be catched by parent flow. Okay. And once parent flow receive this error, that is flow reference, it will get this component will fail. And then it will go to error handler of this parent flow. And here we have logger. So it logger will execute and this is on error continue. So it will send success response. So who will receive this success response? Who is calling our API? Okay. So through HTTP listener, it will send response.
okay, got it. Thanks.
Okay. So hope everyone clear with this scenario. So let's go for another. So in next scenario, what we have, so next scenario we have, that is this one is on error propagate. This also on error propagate. Okay. So what will be flow of this processing, and same time, what will be final response of this API? It's a 500 or 200. So two things you need to identify: final response of API and sequence of component processing. Okay. So everyone write it in chat. So let me see. One, two, three, four, five, nine, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8. Yeah, this one is correct. Since this one throw error, it will go to on error propagate. Okay. So on error propagate will catch the error and it will execute this. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 will execute. This is on error propagate. So again, it will throw error to 3. This will fail. Again, it will go here. So 8 will execute. Okay. Now, after executing A, it will send back to calling system. And since on error propagate is there, again, it will throw error only, send error only. So error will be 500 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8. So everyone is same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8. Yeah, everyone correct at this stage. Now, if it is on error, continue. So this one is on error propagate and this one is on error continuous. Then what will be error? So what will be sequence? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 7. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, and 7. Yeah, this one is correct. So Sai has given correct answer, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 3, 7. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Krishnandu, your answer is not correct. You are not clear with the concept.
Yeah, I thought actually continue means to go by the
Continue.
end.
So what continue will do? It will send success response, correct? Sequence wise. So first, this will go to HTTP listener, then logger, then flow reference. Then it will go to logger, it will go to this component. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is confirmed. Now there will be error on this component. So it will raise the error and then it will catch by on error continue. So it will execute 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Okay. And then this is on error continue. So on error continue will send success response. Okay, this will be treated as success. So in that case, what it will do, it will execute next component. So after this, save. Is it clear?
Yes, yes. But if it is a child element, then it is happening. If it is a parent element only, like for example, case one only, like maybe 1, 2, 3 and dive case, then what will happen?
So
If it is
if
on a
there is
continue.
no child component, then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's where exactly it's spelling. It's spelling here.
Yes, yes.
Okay. If it will fail here, then it will go to error handler and it will go to 8. Then in that case, it will not go here. Even if it is on error continue or propagate, doesn't matter. Okay. In same flow, let's say if it is failing here, in same flow, no matter it's on error continue or propagate, this component will not execute if it is failing here. Okay. It will fail, immediately control will go to error handler.
Okay.
Everyone clear with all these four scenario?
Yes, right. But one question just to recap. If it has to go with 4, 5 and next 6, then if we keep HR in a triscope, is that possible?
Yeah, that is another scenario. Okay. Like so. Okay, let me put actually this will not come in this one. Let me put in this one. Okay. So let's say if there is any error in this part, still we want to continue the rest of the component, then how we will do this? So in that case, we need to put that particular component inside try block, and we need to configure on error continue there. So what will happen if there will be failure, then it will go to on error continue. In on error continue, it will go to error handler. In error handler, we have on error continue, so it will send success response. So this component will be try catch block will be treated as success, and then it will go to next component. Okay, so that's why if we want to do component level error handling, then we use this try catch block. And if you want to continue, then you will use on error continue. If we want to stop the processing there, then you will use on error propagate. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. One more question will come on this part. That is, everyone know about this scatter gather component. Can anyone tell me what is scatter gather component? And that will be very frequent question in interview. What is scatter gather component?
The scatter gather is a scope which processes every process concurrently or parallelly.
Yes, correct.
Like
Only
scatter,
anyone else want to?
like scatter gather will execute in multi-thread processing.
Yes. Okay. So all answer are correct only, but like you should try to make it kind of perfect answer. Okay. So whatever you people answer, that is correct, but you need to give more detail, like to make it very clear. So first of all, in scatter gather component, we do parallel processing. Okay. Here we will have multiple branches. Okay. And each branch will execute parallelly. Correct? In scatter gather, what we have multiple branches. Okay. And each branch will execute independently and parallelly. Okay. And once all the branch will complete its execution, it will give us accumulated result. Okay. So answer wise, everyone will give like this. Scatter help us to do parallel processing where it has multiple branches. Okay. And each branch will execute independently and parallelly. Okay. One more point you can add here, whenever we have independent set of functionality, then we can put those independent set of functionality in different branches. It will increase the API performance. Okay, this will be key point. You must need to add this. We use scatter gather component to increase the API performance or for API tuning purpose. Sometimes they will ask question like that also. What all components we have for API tuning, or how you will tune your API, or how you will improve the performance of the API. In that case, you need to mention those components. We have scatter gather component, we have parallel for each, we have async component, we have batch processing component. So those components we use for API tuning purpose. Okay, coming back to error handling scenario. So here we have scatter gather component and we have, let's say, in each branch we have, let's say here 3 component, here 2 component. Okay. Now, if there will be an error in any of the branch, what will happen?
We get an error response with the routing, with with the route with the error.
Okay. The correct answer only, but again.
Yeah, but
like
the others
some,
will execute, but we finally get the payload is going to be error message. We're going to get in the payload.
anyone else want to try?
Okay, the 3 addresses, they're going to finish executing the flow, but finally we're gonna get the error message.
Correct. Now it's perfect answer.
Okay, so I know you
So-
trying.
You have to mention all the key points. Okay. So first key point will be, even if there will be error in particular branch, other branch will continue its execution and they will complete their execution. Once all other branch, let's say this branch like having success, so it will continue its execution. This one will also continue its execution. And if there is any failure in third branch, okay, let's say here it's a failure. It failed here. Okay. But still, even if there will be one branch which got failed, other branch will continue its execution and it will complete its execution. Okay. And once all the branch will complete their execution, let's say it's taking 5 seconds, it's taking 6 seconds, it failed in 2 seconds, it taking 7 seconds. After 7 seconds, this component will fail. This scatter gather itself will fail. Okay, this is the key point here. All other component, all other branch will continue its execution and they will complete their execution. Once all will complete its execution, then this scatter gather will check any branch got failed. Yes, this branch got failed. So what this will do, this scatter gather will fail with composite routing error. Okay, and in interview, they are asking what error you will get. I have seen in few interview, they are asking this, if any branch will fail, what will happen? So you need to mention all other branch will continue its execution. Once they will complete, then this scatter gather component will fail and they will ask what kind of error you will get. So you need to mention composite routing error. Error type will be composite routing. Okay. Now, second question will be here. In this particular case, I don't want to stop the processing. I want to process the next component what we have after scatter gather. Let's say we have logger. So I want to process this logger component. So what we will do? Anyone want to answer this?
Yeah, put it in a try scope.
Yeah. So what you can do? So whatever, let's say, if you are clear which branch will get generally error, then you can put all the component of that branch inside the try block. Okay. Or if you don't know which branch will get error and every cases you want to continue the execution, you can put try block in each branch. Okay. So simply you will answer, you will use try block and will put those component within the branch inside the try block, and you will use on error continue in error handler of the try block. Everyone clear with this? And next question you will get in scenario based, that is age error component. Okay. So if you have any business error, let's say customer age should not be more than 60 years. So if you have any business error, how you will handle it? So how you will handle it? If you want to handle the business error in your Mulesoft, then how you will handle it?
Sorry, not getting the question.
Sorry.
I'm not getting the question.
Yeah. So far we have seen all our technical error. Okay. There will be some failure in some particular component of Mulesoft. Okay. So these are the Mulesoft component. It's failing and it's creating error, and we are handling that. But this, like I'm talking about the error which is not component error. Like this Mulesoft component will not fail. You want to generate the error based on the business scenario. Let's say customer age is more than 60 years, and that scenario, as per your business, that is
Okay.
error scenario.
Okay. We are raising error means we use raise error component to
Yes.
generate the error.
rage error component. Okay, so this question again they will ask in scenario based question only. How to handle business kind of error. Okay, or they will put you in a scenario, okay, like that customer age is less than 60 years. Sorry, your application should support customer having less than 60 year only. If any customer is coming more than 60 year, then how you will handle it? So you need to mention, we will use raise error component, and then we will raise the custom error from there.
It will be called a customer error or business error.
So generally we use this component to handle the business error, but we define our own error type and error description, not predefined. So if something is not predefined, you can term it as a custom error. Okay, fine then. We are good for today. Then let's continue our next session and we will discuss other interview question.
Ravi, can you upload previous videos, please?
Yeah, video wise, I identified 3-4 video. Okay, let me give access in some time. 1 hour 39 is there, I think. Let me quickly check. 39 is there, so this one is duplicate. Yeah, I will give access in some time. Fine then. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.